So viewers, subscribers, me say Bounty Killer team up with Massacre again. Or maybe we can say it, Massacre team up with the General again. You saw me I say people. And in other one of people, the man them basically I make you know say, yo dog, nobody feel like say yo the thing lay him up. You saw me I say, in fact Massacre use the platform at a moment or opportunity to say, yo dog, me are the man. You understand? Me there in a position where yo me a roll like a diplomat. You understand what I deal with? My thing upon another level. You understand what I say? My thing upon another rank, another class, another status. You see what I say? The man I make you know say, yo dog, me more advanced now. You see what I say? And as much as enough of them want to tough up them face and talk, all them want to talk, my business fully intact and me I continue to grow as a young artist. You see what I say? And that me here in a diplomat enough viewers and subscribers. You see what I say? And you don't know like I said before, I always say, yo, dancehall is a game where, or a sport where, yo, the whole bad man persona or portrayal or image have to be involved in your music at some given point in time. You see what I say? So you don't know say Massacre even make them know say yo dog. Me nah left it sitting in, me nah left the bomber. And of course the General goes to boom and join in with Massacre and make them know say yo the bomber always say the killer them there enough to man. Money and make man. And what you talk about? You see what I say? The whole of we are diplomat. I wanna talk about. But for your subscribers, I just talk about that one because of course of music. You see what I say? And not only that in people, but I have to give the General in respect. You see what I say? Because obviously in turn, he might give the younger artists them respect. Of course, him pick, choose and refuse who he want to do it to. Everybody have their own reason for what. You understand what I say? But I not talk about no negativity. I talk about the songwriter now. You understand what I say, people? People, you understand me? I say people, that song is bad. I mean, now go around the corner, tell me what you think. Massacre start out that song quite gruesome enough viewers, subscribers. I see the way how him depict the thing, him basically, I make you know say, yo, me a big man, me a bad man. You saw me, I say, me a murderer, boy, nobody. Matter of fact, me not even a normal murderer, dog. Me a diplomat, me role diplomatic. You saw me, I say, the man say, what me do, I basically fuck your girl and flick your back. You saw me, I say, so basically, I say, yo, dog, I take away your girl and beat it, dog, and anyhow you try to retaliate, I do nothing about it. I just done you. You saw me, I say, I just out a light. I just take a 3 points like a nothing. Because what? We roll diplomatic. Our thing up on another level, dog. You saw me, I say, you see from the link seal, dog, and everything up, we think I go full force, you see me? We know so we think I go forward. At that Massacre say no star. You saw me, I say, I'm not gonna lie people. Me like how in basically help to synchronize the thing with Bounty Killer. You saw me, I say people. Because Bounty Killer, you don't know so Bounty Killer a veteran viewer subscribers, you see me? I'm not gonna lie, Bounty Killer sound like say boy that song was written from a more modern mind. You saw me, I say, based on just how the lyrics them sound. In other words, people sound like a problem Massacre write the song and Bounty Killer get theme part. But either way, it don't matter because the song to me is a nice song. It's a proper bad man dancehall song. You saw me, I say, but I not just say average bad man dancehall song, you know. Because the man them I make you know, I stress to the people them. You saw me, I say, I laugh and I make statement for them enemies or them foes. You saw me, I say, I make them know say, yo dog, we think they on a diplomatic level, dog. We roll diplomatic. And then I look at normal something, dog. You saw me, I say, people, the kind of rollings where Massacre also help for creating in my mind. The man say, yo dog, right now dog, if me not roll the thing fully loaded in the dog. You saw me, I say, because you don't know say no for the artist man, they say, yo, 32 na the clip. So if Massacre not roll with the full 32 dog, you saw me, I say, the retarded clip. The man they even dep on it, dog. The man in a bag of chatting. You saw me, I say, the man in a bag of yipping and a lapping. You saw me, I say, and a yapping, dog. You saw me, I say, people. And that the man I say, the man I make you know say, yo, a militant step. Real bad man something. You saw me, I say, dog, and nobody can feel like say you can come go around me thing in general because I win him. You saw me, I say, viewer subscribers, tell me what you think, viewer subscribers. In fact, I want to know if you tell me what you think about this collaboration. Of course, we heard a collaboration with Massacre and Bounty Killer before. You saw me, I say, which was a bad song too. You saw me, I say, but of course, would I like to know what you think about this one here, viewer subscribers. You see me? Drop a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. And then, of course, people, one time, Killer step on the track and say, yo, Man a general, you saw me I say nothing no change. We money enough dog. Whole heap of killers there, any you try to make no look move, any look shape, any motion. You saw me I say, the murderer them there have to do so dog. Nobody feel like say you can come violate the general or one general dog. You saw me I say, and I eat killer say yo, me not lie to you, just how killer basically approach the theme part. Me not lie to you people. Killer have a vice. That's the thing about killer. Killer have a very authoritative vice. And you see when them man they step on a rhythm dog, you saw me I say whether it be a hit or not, it give you a particular impact. It give you a different, you know me I say, a different vibe, a different feeling. Because what? You hear the authority there, you hear that, you get the vibe where you just want big up your chest, and you saw me I say, and be very much in charge and in control of that vibe there. That's the perception or the persona me get from Bounty Killer. Anytime from me I listen Bounty Killer as a youth, you know, dog. You saw me I say, I'm not gonna lie, Bounty Killer, you still sound proper dog as a elder in the business. You saw me I say, proper collaboration. I'm not gonna lie to your viewers, subscribers. Then the man I'll make you know say, yo dog, not because we're all in a game. See, you know mean say me cool up. You know mean say me think water down, I mean nothing. We have money dog, we have a connection them, it link them tight and right. You saw me as a viewer subscribers. And without any doubt people, like I have stressed before, the man them are basically make you know say yo dog, a bad man thing me depend in a dog. Nobody feel like say yo a joke thing, you know. Massacre even say yo dog, gun in my hand. You saw me I say, nobody feel like say me nah go use it general. You saw me I say, because no boy a road can't mess up or basically interfere with my street credit. Because me no play them game there. Me no play them kind of game there general. You saw me I say, and not to mention in a dog, all of me have my gun in a big girl I get fucked said we in a dog, and me no play people. And if a boy go on like him want to try something dog, you will, boom, you will get that. People, more want to tell me what you think though people, what you think about the collab. You saw me I say, and in fact, who you think write it, or do you think everybody, you know me I say, each individual player or artist write their own part. You saw me I say, or in fact, do it matter? You see me I say, is it a situation where we just for focus just on the actual material given to us and not necessarily have to try decipher as to who write it or not write it. But either way, like I say people, whoever write it bad. Me like it, me like the vibe. You don't know, like I said, people, the man them give the yard man diplomatic style. But a yard man, bad man, businessman, you know me I say, kind of perception. You see me I say, people, I want to tell me what you think though, viewer subscribers. Drop your comment below in the comment section and tell me what you think. Because me not lie, I'm curious to know what the people them out the road think about that song. You see me? You see all the one massacre. Massacre is a youth no play, no ram for play with words, you know. Or if give some ratty the word play in him song them. The man say, yo dog, you see anyhow, you see me a hustle for my one dog and you try to play with my food. I want my new gun them I go test out for you. You see me? Because I don't play with people. I'm telling you already, you know, I'm going to stress it. I'm going to continue to emphasize and make the boy them know. Say, yo, genocide and the crux them not play with people, dog. You saw me I say, but don't tell you no say, anyhow, me I go road, my half is strapping a dog. And a couple bullet have to dead with me, you know. Matter of fact, me have to have a couple extra magazine in a dog. I kind of divide them, me I get enough viewer subscribers. He never necessarily say, he going to have extra clip, you know. But the man make you know, say, yo, dog, if me a touch road, you know, my machine have to dead with me, you know, dog. And my thing have to locked and ready, you know, because I don't play with people. Furthermore, I don't take check from no boy. And I not going to make no local waste man come take my stripe and come mess up my street credit. I want to some man don't know my thing set. I want to you. Hey boy, a diplomatic role. Nobody feel like a joke thing. Our thing the average me G. I want to you, viewer subscribers. But I wonder if a little statement could have through over Alkaline side. Like how Alkaline go do. No average. You see me? Maybe everybody are going to say, yo, them are not average either. You see me? One Alkaline is easy now. But viewer subscribers, I'm not going to lie to you still. That song between Massacre and the General and Bounty Killer, that song is bad. You see me? I'm not going to lie. That song is bad and it will help more so Bounty. Because if you understand, so your Bounty kind of basically, you know, I kind of go over to the side if you allow the younger talents them to full up the market. or the industry, so to speak. But nonetheless, the collaboration is a proper collaboration. I'm not gonna lie to you. You saw me I say? Because them look at things I like to see. I like to see when the elder them are endorse the young youth them. I said that already and I know I'm gonna say it again. And I'm gonna continue to say it. Because them things I will have to big up. You see me? Big up in general. You saw me I say? And Massacre, I don't know you put in your work, my G. You see me? Go and do it and go and silence the critics them. You see me I say, people? Viewers, subscribers, drop a comment below and tell me what you think. You see me? I'm out. And of course, people, like I'm always telling you, don't forget to ring the bell icon. That way they get the instant notification each time Dancehall Critics drops up.